this is gonna go. So I think it's gonna go for a bit higher than this. So once it got it this level, I'm just gonna quickly fill them out. See what we need. We need pink wool and white wool. So that go there. And the IP is going to be down in the description for this server if you want to play with me, make something. As you can see, there's plots everywhere, and yeah, my friend's plot used to be here, but I don't know what just happened. This is cool. I always like this one here, but mine is going to be here. There's a few things with redstone, but yeah. Whoop. Let's get back up. So I think one eye's going to be there, and one eye's there. So that's going to be. There we go. This is the size I usually make all my skins. I do. Yeah, ignore that, please.
Hello. How are you? Are you doing this lovely carpet?
So we're gonna just finish this, and we're gonna make like a little house behind it.
It's fucking freezing, yeah?
That's my skin. It's not exactly like. I just did not like. I wanted it to be longer, but my arm's gonna be like you can see, like part of my arm, not just my hand. But look, you can see you can just only see my hand. But yeah, I might actually change that. Up to this, and then
Oh, yeah.
shoot like that. From there up, haven't finished yet, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry about the people talking. Very annoying. Guys, I'm gonna cut it here, and then you'll see me back. Just gonna stop here, and I'll be back. And guys, I'm back. Oh, let's go. So as you can see, I was just yelling at a few people because I'm very annoying, and I'm just trying to make a video, and I can never do that. So it's gonna be so from here up. If you ever want to get this skin, I made it on. I made it actually. I made something similar to this, but I'm not gonna use that skin. So this is going to be.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
He's recording. I've looked very
Woo!